9 awesome smartphone accessories from Peak Design. I've tested them all, and to be honest guys, I was really pleasantly surprised. The word design in company's name is definitely there for a reason. So let's have a closer look and decide whether it's worth your attention. So let's start off with the everyday case, the phone case. The materials themselves are top-notch, and as you can see, it's kind of a tissue right here, and the square in the middle allows you to use the most accessories from this video. We have cutouts for the speakers and also an ability to attach a loop. All in all, it's a very decent case, and considering its price, it has to be decent. It protects the camera bump as well, and all in all, I'm more than satisfied with the case. Someone might not like this design, but to me, it's more than fine. The next accessory is out front bike mount, and to be honest guys, that's the most fun accessory to me. So basically you attach it to your bike, tighten it, and then the phone is magnetically attached to the mount. And also because of those little hooks in the construction, it will not go anywhere. And we have some release buttons on the back. So all in all, it's a very secure connection. But my suggestion guys is to check every time you mount the phone, whether it's in correct position or not, whether the hooks are in place. And if they are, this construction will be safe like a rock. And guys, as you can see, the screen protector on the phone is having some tough times, so Peak Design on their website recommends to put the case first and then the screen protector, of course. Also in the kit you'll find those step up or step down half rings, so you can use it with any bike. And also there is kind of a GoPro type adapter, so you can attach a light for instance or anything else from GoPro accessories to this bike mount. So here are some shots of me riding my scooter, electric scooter, which I love to ride by the way here in Moscow. And as you can see guys, we have some bumpy roads and pretty fast speeds, and all in all the phone is shaking like crazy, but it's still in place and it's still secure. So I'm 100% sure that it will last in even the shakiest grounds and conditions. And don't forget guys, since we have a square on the back of the phone case, we can use the landscape mode or the vertical mode as you prefer. And here with me in the shot you can see how shaky the phone is because it's a very bumpy road, but still it's not falling off. But because of the shake, it's not really the best idea to shoot with your iPhone. As you can see, the footage turns out to be super shaky and not really usable. But in some cases, if you want to film yourself with this super good angle, or if you're using a super wide angle lens on this kind of milky silky road without some bumps, you'll get decent footage. So our next accessory is the mobile tripod, and you can use this tripod with a Peak Design case or with any smartphone that supports MagSafe. In the kit you'll also find this really nice pouch, thumbs up for it as well. The design of this thing is like through the roof, and it's pretty compact as you can see, but it can handle iPhone 14 Pro Max easily, and it's very stable. It doesn't add a lot of weight and it doesn't occupy too much space as you can see right here. And the design of it is so good that you can even see a hidden hex key or a tool to tighten or loosen the legs of the tripod. Also, it features a ball head and it's also pretty tight and sticky, so you can leave it at any angle and it won't fall off or bend. And everything is so silky smooth, so it's really well machined and thought out. It sticks to the back of the phone and the connection is very secure and pretty tight. And of course, you can use your phone both in landscape and vertical modes. The next accessory is wireless charging vent mount. It's a pretty simple mount and I don't drive a car, so I had to ask my colleague to kind of give me an opportunity to shoot in their car. So here it is. The connection is really secure, the materials are great, and the phone is sticking like it's super glued to the surface of this little charging pad. So in a few words, it's just a top-notch vent car mount. In the kit you'll find 1 meter USB-C to USB-C cable, a special adapter for your car, and some little clamps for the cord not to hang all over the car. And also it does have a lot of adjustability both for the vent itself, and also we have a ball head on the end of the mount. So yeah, it's just a top-notch, high quality, a little expensive, but a good mounting accessory for your car. The next accessory is wireless charging stand, and I'm going to keep this one because I really like this product, and right now I'm just looking at my phone and it's sitting on this stand. This charging stand draws about 6 to 8, sometimes 10 watts per hour, and your phone is getting about 5 watts, maybe 8 or 10 sometimes. And as you can see guys, when you put your phone on this stand, it's sticking like a glue, and it's very secure and it's charging. The build quality of this stand is top notch. We have a lot of metal, it's pretty weighty as well, and you can adjust the angles in almost any way and it will stand still because of the metallic and heavy button. So on the bottom you can see the metallic plate and also two rubber sticks, so the stand is not moving all over the table. The stand is also foldable and you can basically just put it in the folded position to your table, and on top you can simply put a phone if you don't need it to be standing. So all in all, top-notch charging stand for your smartphone, and I really like the quality of it. Keeping it. Love it. Also in the kit you'll find a 2-meter USB-C to USB-C cable and a couple of cable clamps. And with all Peak Design accessories you'll get a lifetime warranty, which is a very nice addition. The next accessory is universal bar mount. So you can put your phone to basically any bar, whatever that is, a tripod, a bar in the park, bike mount. So as an example, here it is on the bar in the park, just the rails, and if you want to have a workout in the park or something, you can use this bar mount to mount your phone horizontally or vertically and to have a listen to a trainer or a coach or someone else. And this bar mount also does feature those hooks, so your phone is sticking to it like crazy. The mounting mechanism is also pretty secure. It has 2 additional hooks, and as you can see, it's rubberized as well. Here are the hooks in the work, and on the back of it you can see the place for any bar to fit in. Sometimes it's a little hard to lock it, but when you do lock it, it's not going anywhere. And here's one more example. I've just attached my phone to a tripod. The next accessory is pretty fun. It's basically a pad with a very strong adhesive back, and it allows you to mount your phone to any vertical surface or just anywhere, as you can see on this example. Watching Netflix in your bathroom is possible now. The next accessory is Creator Kit. It's not really a kit. Basically, it's just a mount for all of the GoPro accessories that you can use. As you can see on the helmet of a biker or something, I would not use my iPhone on the helmet, but still. So here we have 2 pieces. One piece is a simple 1/4-inch thread with a GoPro adapter, and the second one is a bit bigger. It also allows you to use GoPro accessories. It also has the little hooks for the case not to fall off and a built-in Arca Swiss plate. And the final accessory for today is the stand wallet. The build quality of it is very good, I would say top-notch. The tissue, everything is just superb. So we have a little magnetic strap or magnetic cover, and you can pull your cards from it and put the cards back, as you can see in this example. Of course, it doubles as a stand and it's very tough, so it's not going to bend, it's not going to fall. All in all, the quality is through the roof. It sticks to the back of the case, of Peak Design case or any case basically, and it looks nicely with the Peak Design case, as you can see here. When the wallet is attached to a phone, it's also very easy to use the cards and to pull them out and back to the case. And as you can see, the magnetic connection is very strong. I'm trying my best to kind of pull it away, but it's not working. But it is working with other cases. This one is from Freewell, for instance, and as you can see, we can still use this wallet. And it's still reasonably secure, but not as secure as with Peak Design's case. All in all, I did enjoy using this wallet, and it's a very welcome addition to your kit. In terms of pricing, guys, Peak Design is kind of a premium product for your smartphones, and the prices are pretty high. I'll leave a link down below for you to watch the prices in there. But if you do purchase their products, you'll be more than satisfied with the quality. If you did enjoy this video, guys, smash the like and subscribe buttons and the notifications bell. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.